What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, today's video is geared towards the women. I know the majority of my viewers are men, like 75%. 25% is women, so I thought I'd throw in one just for the ladies. It excited Tammy, so we're gonna take a look at it. If it excites my wife, then I'm gonna share it with the other ladies that watch this program. I think it was like $17. So she's going to the back room out of her bathroom and grabbing it. No, it's not a Dyson hairdryer. Hang in there, let me show what it is. Let me just give you one more tip. Tammy buys a lot of things off the internet, like all of you, okay? And what she does is she'll be playing her game and she'll see like a commercial, or she'll see an ad on Instagram or something. And what she does is she finds out what it is and then goes over to Amazon and buys it for probably half the price they wanted in the ad. So be sure to check Amazon before you buy from any of these internet companies, okay? But this is what we got. Let me show you. I didn't even know this thing was a thing. It is a thing. Okay, this just came in the mail. It is called a makeup brush cleaner. Did you guys even know they have these things? To clean your makeup brushes. I guess it's hard to clean. Is it hard to clean?
I don't know. I usually just throw mine out.
You just throw your brush out?
Yeah, I'm going to do one.
And you buy a new brush.
Yeah.
So this will save you money. And what was this? This was like $17, wasn't it?
Yeah, $17, $18.
Yeah, we got this thing for $17. It's a makeup brush cleaner. So
and my ad wanted $29.99 for it.
the ad you were reading?
Yeah.
$29.99 in the ad she saw. And then she went over to Amazon and bought it for $17. Okay, so she brought her brushes here. What's the temperature got to be?
90. They say around like room temperature. So like 70, that's too hot still.
Go put some cool water in it. Room temperature 72. Take the thermometer with you. All right, let's test this water. It's got to be room temperature water, right?
Yeah, they say about 70 degrees.
Let's see.
There you go. It'll be.
Yeah, it's a little
It'll
warmer.
cool down by the time I get ready.
Okay. We're in the 80s. You do know that, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Good.
So typically you get one of these. They have many different versions of it, whatever. But you get one of these, you get it, you soap it up with this shampoo makeup brush thing, right? Which I had to buy
So
that
makeup
too.
brushes have shampoo?
Yeah. So
Did
anyway,
you get the conditioner?
No, ha ha ha. So anyway, so then you get it wet, like typically, because see how that's all dirty, right? It's just my blush that I use.
Right.
Okay. So anyway, so then you get it wet, but you soap your shampoo, give me your head.
Well, why don't we show them?
Because I don't want to do it on this.
Oh, is
And
that
then you
one
just,
also?
and then you just,
Is that a different one?
You scrub this to get it clean.
Oh, that's a different device
Yeah.
right there.
And then you take it and you like this, you drain it, you sit over here and let it dry for a day or two.
That's kind of lame.
Yeah, so you have to let your brushes dry so that they're completely done. So I mean, I've had this, I don't know for how long.
Oh, that's a brush cleaner also.
A brush cleaner.
That's
yes.
a completely different device.
Yes, this is one that they sell.
Well, we don't want to show that.
Well, no, but this is the old. This is how you do it.
This is the new way.
This is the new way, which is supposed to help it dry almost immediately too.
All right.
So we'll see. So it comes like this.
It's an unboxing. Is that like a little glass bowl right there?
Yeah, that's the bowl you're gonna wash your brushes in. So then this is.
What are those little black things right there?
These are the things that you're gonna put on with your brush. So it's kind of like how men have like a shaving kit and it's got all those little parts that go with it.
Right.
This is what these go
Oh,
with.
those are add-ons.
No, these go you just set them down.
Okay.
Point this side,
Is that to dry your brushes?
No,
right
this is
there?
what you put your brush on. So these are the brush holders, like the silicone brush holders for
Oh,
different
I get
sizes.
it. Okay.
Because we have different size brushes, right?
Right. So you can have a bunch of brushes on there, right?
Yeah, well, no, these are just like the tools for your toolbox type thing.
Is that a holder?
Yeah, these are the holders that hold.
So that holds all your brushes, right?
Yes.
Different size brushes. For your eyes, for your cheeks, for everything, right? Yeah. How many brushes do you have?
I don't know. I only use probably 2 or 3.
No. How many do you have total?
I don't know. I only use like 2 or 3 though.
But if you had to pick a number, honey.
Like 10.
10 brushes, you use 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What is that silver thing?
Hold on. These are actually going on. Hold on.
Oh, they go a certain way?
Yeah.
So be careful when you're putting those
The square part goes down
Square part goes down.
because that's what's going to connect with this tool.
Right. Okay. And our sample is going to be this brush, tiny brushes, and big brush.
Well, I have this one right here, and then I have these. These are the 3 brushes that I use pretty much every day.
Those right there. What's that one that looks like a pencil?
This one right here, that does my eyeshadow.
That's your eyeshadow brush? What
And
is that one?
This does my eyeliner.
And what is this big one?
That's for like blush.
Okay, what's the other side?
I don't know, I never have used that one.
You've never used that one? Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
Okay, so you get this. This is your little clean bowl. This is your... right there, okay? So then you gotta find the right brush that goes, and I wonder how this is gonna work with this one.
We'll do one of your smaller ones. Do one of these little
That's
ones.
fine. I can get it in there. Like, I never use this one.
So you don't care if that gets destroyed?
Well, you just twist it.
Oh.
Well, that's not gonna hold it. So I'm gonna go to the next size.
So you're finding, those are holders, or brush holders?
Yeah, they hold this side of the brush.
Right.
It'll work. Okay, so it goes in like this. You gotta find the right tool connector that goes into this, right? And you take your wand, you stick it in there and find out.
Oh, it's like a drill adapter.
drill, yeah. But I think I gotta put the batteries in first.
It has batteries?
Yeah.
Does it do anything else?
No.
Just spins your
Yeah,
brush.
the batteries.
All right. Okay, ladies, don't look at the user manual either. She just handed this to me. She hasn't opened it once.
What you do is you put your brush, your container in there, it'll kind of lock.
Is that glass or plastic?
Plastic.
Okay.
Okay. Pour it. Where's the max line so you can see it?
There's a max line somewhere.
Right here. Oops. Should lock it in first.
Well, trust me, on the
There's
plastic.
the max right there.
I can't see
See
the
it?
max. Oh, I see it right.
Okay, I'm gonna pour my 70-degree water in there, or room temperature,
Right?
to max fill. Put a little of my shampoo.
Little shampoo in there, right?
Okay.
All right.
My brush is all connected,
Brush is all connected, right?
and you stick it in there, and push the button, and it goes. They said keep it in there for do this for about 10 seconds.
Let's get real close and take a look. Look at that sucker spinning. Now, all the makeup's coming off your brush, so into that water. So as you pull it out, do you gotta wait for it to dry, or what happens?
I'll show you. So it's telling you after 10 seconds, right?
Right.
So we've been about 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay. You lightly lift it up like this to get it out of the water, right?
Oh, it's still moving the water.
Still moving the water, but it's above the water.
Right.
Right? You can see that?
Right, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off and pull it out. Now my brush is completely dry and clean. Wow. Watch, I'll show you. I'll put it
It's
next to your
crazy.
thing. Watch. It's not even getting any
No
wetness.
water on my camera.
No water in the camera. And no.
Oh man, women are gonna love this device.
And then, look, I'll show you there's no residue from your
It's
brush.
not even wet anymore.
It's not wet.
Let's do another one.
Okay.
I want to try one of these other ones. These little tiny ones. I want to see, is that black on those?
No, that's my eyeshadow.
What color's your eyeshadow? Will we see the water change colors?
Yeah, it'll change colors.
We're using the same water.
No, we're not using the same
Oh, we're
water.
not using the same
No,
water.
you
That's
always
dirty, soapy
use
water.
Dirty water. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in there. So we're ready for the water.
Yuckers. Okay, cool. Okay, so while Tammy's preparing her new water for her second brush, just want to let you know, we'll have a link down below. This seems like it's a pure success. I'm kind of shocked. For 17 bucks, that's nothing. So we're gonna do one of her tiny brushes next. You ready? Get ready for that. Okay, so she's sizing up her brushes, so she'll have the adapter that will fit into the tool that spins it. That's what it is. Those are adapters to hold your brushes, depending on what
And
size
the
your
bottom,
brush
the
is.
square ones go to these.
And it fits right on. It's like
Different sizes.
a man's tool,
Yeah.
but it's not.
So then this
Okay.
one's not gonna be so, because it's a more tighter brush for my eyeshadow.
Right.
So you won't see it.
Wait, you didn't put the soap in.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, the soap's in there?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta get back, yeah. Let me get up there really quick. So then you want to pull out slowly, right?
Yeah, when I'm ready. This one's a tighter brush. I'm gonna leave it in there. See how the soap's foaming at the top?
Yeah. So you're kind of brushing on the bottom to...
Yeah, I'm putting it on the bottom to
Break it
kind of
up.
break it up.
Wow, the water's getting muddy. It's weird.
Okay, so then you lift it up a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Let it dry. Ready to go. Okay.
It's dry. Wow. It's totally dry. No water on it. On the paper towel, you can see no water.
No water, no eyeshadow, no nothing.
Okay, guys. Just do my makeup. Anyway, there you go. It's beautiful. It's like brand new. Your girl will love you for this, guys. If she doesn't have this, you should get her one of these. They so need electronics in their life too. All right? I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.